Minisita w'ebyenjigiriza eby'amatendekero aga waggulu J.C Muyingo Yenyamidde Olw'Omutindo Gwabayizi abagwa era n'enkola yaabwe. Ono kuvayo bw'ati asinze ku yafeesi y'omukulembeze w'eggwanga mu kufuluma ebyava mu bigezo ebya siniya y'omukaaga omwaka ogwa 2022.
Candidature, yet again, the figure may be less than the over 5,000 registered in 2020 examination, but continues to be a cause for worry. I'm glad to hear that Makerere University took this matter up to investigate the causes. I, and indeed the Ministry and the nation, eagerly awaits the report and recommendations, and any recommendations that have been made.
Onera asiimye abaana ab'obuwala abalazeeko bannaabwe ab'obulenzi mu kukola obulungi era n'asaba abazadde okwongera amaanyi mu kubaagazisa okusoma.
Fortunately, have shown better performance than their male counterparts. This indicates that girls are just as capable as boys are. What needs to be done is to identify and work on those factors that have tended to hold the girls back and reduce their numbers at this level. You may recall that during the recent Makerere University graduation, the girls registered big numbers than their counterparts. And of course this confirms or affirms our belief in their equal abilities.
Onera ensoma y'abayizi abatafunyeeko kabonero konna emwennyamiza n'alaga nga kino bwe kitateekeddwa kutwalibwa nga kya muzannyo.
When a student scores no mark or zero at this level, there are many questions that cross our minds. One of them, what does this mean to us as teachers? Is it us, the teachers, who failed this candidate, or somebody else? There are many questions to be asked. When the executive director was talking about the many zeros recorded, I think as Uganda we should all get concerned.
Akubiriza abayizi okweyunira amatendekero amalala nga ogyeko okweyunira yunivasite zokka.
On the overall performance we just saw, many of you have qualified to join other post-secondary institutions such as technical colleges, health training institutions to pursue diverse career path. Please get interested or interest yourselves in what is offered in our technical and vocational centers.
Ensonga y'abaana abatulugunya bannaabwe nayo tagireseeyo era agivumiridde nga bwesaanidde okulwanyisibwa.
And the head teacher must ensure that career guidance and counseling is strongly implemented in the schools. Learners must be supported to learn, to live together with one another, must be helped to appreciate that they need to respect each and every one, but not hurt each other.
Asabye Minisitule ey'ebyenjigiriza okulondoola abasomesa abeebulankanya ku masomero nti omuze gwabwe gukoze ky'amaanyi mu nkola y'abayizi.
Absenteeism continues to be among the biggest challenge faced by the education sector. The outlook of the results we are releasing today could have been much better if all our teachers were rendering the services expected of them within the approved and allocated time frame. Several studies continue tagging our poor performance to this vice, that's absenteeism. It is time for us to train in this damaging practice. I call upon our head teachers and Ministry of Education officials to carry out strict supervision and apprehension of the culpable staff. We must crack down this habit and ensure that our learners get the education that we need to move our country forward.
Yes, Chigongo, Kulwa, Channel 44, Oreguro.